I'm back with another video, and I found out how to. Let me just type. And I just noticed that this app looks pretty cool because I just downloaded the app and I like it. It's fun. And let's go trade people because I feel like it, and I'm pretty boring, so. Or I can just show you how to make a beautiful den. But I think you all know how to make a beautiful den. Yeah. First they see what's in there and then you're done. That's perfect. But no, seriously. But if, like, I'm gonna do a giveaway soon, so the one that actually win the giveaway can choose Royal Tiara in purple, blue, and green. It's your choice. And I'm feeling like I just was in Forgotten Desert and I got shark fin and silver chain necklace. And plus, if someone gift me or trade me anything good, I will give them a shout out. So yeah. So I hope this is gonna be well because I'm gonna trade. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in here. Trade me recording. I have to decline because it's worth a rim. I think it's a rim. Tell me, please. Now. What for your necklace? I don't know. People Jesus releases. I'm getting trade. How fine is this? I'm accepting body, so get it quick. But if you're away for a long time, please tell me because if not, because if I find you and you've been like away for 10 days or more, I have to unbuddy you. But not in stream, because if not stream, I mean video. If you see this right now, you here, then please come back. If not, I'm just gonna unbuddy you. But yeah. Now if I get a good trade and I accept it, then I'm gonna give them a shout out. Again. What does this person have a trade? Yeah, totally fair. I'm just no, I'm not gonna do it. I can't get out that in stores. Nope. When you try your best, but what is fair for it? I don't know. I just got it. Tell me in the comments actually. What is that word? train me be fair. So if I decline, seems like, oh, okay. But really, I hope someone just train me. But if you gift me any good items, I think I said this before, but whatever. Say it again. And I think what just happened there? Whatever. Now, if someone gives me a spike, anything very good, I'm gonna give them a shout out on holy moly. Yes, you shall. You shall have that. I shall have that. Now I feel happy. No problem. Hey, setting this on trade. Or shoulders. Yeah, can you wear this? Now sit down and yeah. Be right back when I get a very good trade. This skeleton here has actually done a very good trade, so shout out to this little person. Shout out to her. This is the user because shout out. Yes. Is this an evil? Yes. Yes. I love you, Evie. Thanks. Shout out to this person because nice. Wait, what's that? Shout out to this person because it was pretty nice. Do you like mine? Yes. Yes, I do. Hey, I like your effort. When you try your best, but I do. Be right back. Okay, guys. Bye. I hope you liked this video and yeah. Bye.